Hello all, warm greetings from Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijaypura. Happy to announce that the Department of Computer Science is organizing the first national webinar on image analysis using AI techniques. The scholarly sessions by leading scientists will project a new direction to researchers in different domains who are involved in image analysis using AI techniques. At the outset, let me brief about the university. Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijaypura, established in 2003 in the city of Vijaypura, is the only women's university in Karnataka State dedicated exclusively for women's education with a vision empowerment of women through education. The university has been accredited B grade by NAAC and is a recipient of 4 stars in CASER ranking. To build a strong foundation in the areas of computer science, the Department of Computer Science offers PhD, MPhil, MS in Computer Science programs along with AICTE approved MCA program. The department has state-of-art infrastructure, laboratory facilities and highly qualified and experienced faculties to impart quality education. The first national webinar on image analysis using AI techniques aims to provide a comprehensive knowledge of research to faculties and researchers in the areas of image processing and pattern recognition using artificial intelligence techniques. Distinguished scientists will be delivering the invited talks. The webinar will serve as a forum to the participants to gain advanced knowledge in the field of research.
The national webinar on image analysis using artificial intelligence is scheduled on 12th and 13th of October 2020. The inaugural speech will be presented by Professor Onkara Gowda Kakade, Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university. The keynote address will be delivered by Professor Umapad K. Pal, IAPR Fellow, Professor and Head, Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition Unit, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, India. The topic of the session is some recent applications of pattern recognition and computer vision. At present, he is serving as Associate Editor of popular journals Pattern Recognition from Elsewhere, Pattern Recognition Letters from Elsewhere, ACM Transactions on Asian and Low Resource Language Information Processing, International Journal of Document Analysis and Recognition from Springer, and IET Biometrics. The second session of day 1 will be presented by Professor P.S. Hiremat, Department of Computer Applications, KLE Technology University, BVB CET Campus, Hubballi. The topic of the session is Material Microstructure Image Analysis using Artificial Intelligence. He is life member of several bodies: Indian Society of Theoretical and Applied Mechanics, IIT Kharagpur, Ramanujam Mathematical Society, University of Madras, Chennai, and Indian Science Congress, Kolkata.
Day 2 of national webinar will begin with the brainstorming session of Professor K.V. Kale, FIETE, Senior Member, IEEE Department of Computer Science and Information Technology from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad, Maharashtra of India. The topic of the session is Geospatial Technology and its Application. He is the recipient of International Amazing Idea Award confirmed by SCI International Organization, USA in 2013 at London in its international conference. Session 2 of Day 2 will be delivered by Dr. Srivarmangai, Head Department of IT, University of Mumbai. The topic of her session is Classification of Colorectal Cancer Staging from MRI Images. Her renowned positions: Member of CSI, Advisory Member of Cybercrime Cell of Maharashtra Police, Ranking Officer QS Times World Ranking.
Participants will have opportunity to discuss with invited speakers following their talks. The registration is free and the registration link to the national webinar is available on the university website. All the registered participants will be given e-participation certificate. The live link of webinar sessions will be shared in the WhatsApp group, which you can join during your registration to the webinar. See you soon. Always wear mask and stay safe, stay healthy.